Is the AI arms race finally over? While everyone was waiting for the next big thing from OpenAI, Google just dropped a bombshell, Gemini 3.1 Pro. We aren't just talking about a minor update here, we are looking at a massive 100% jump in abstract reasoning. For the first time, an AI model has cracked the 77.1% mark on the infamous AGI-2 benchmark, a test specifically designed to defeat machines and challenge human-level logic. Today on AIG Red Lab, we are breaking down why Gemini 3.1 Pro is a total game-changer for automation, how it handles a massive 1 million token context window, and why this might be the most human-like model we've ever seen. Let's dive in. The biggest headline with Gemini 3.1 Pro is reasoning. Most AI models today are essentially sophisticated pattern matchers. They predict the next word based on what they've seen before. But Gemini 3.1 Pro is fundamentally different. By utilizing a new System 2 thinking architecture, it can actually pause, evaluate its own logic, and correct errors before delivering an answer. In the GPQA Diamond benchmark, which is a brutal test of expertise in physics, biology, and chemistry, it scored a staggering 94.3%. This means if you are using AI for high-level research or complex data synthesis, Gemini 3.1 Pro is now the undisputed leader in the Pro class of models. First, let's talk about Agentic Workflows. This allows the model to act as a true digital agent. It doesn't just tell you how to book a flight. It can interface with APIs to actually do it, manage your calendar, and execute multi-step business processes with near zero hallucination. Then there is native SVG animation. This is a hidden gem for creators. You can now prompt Gemini to create complex code-based animations. Instead of static images, it generates clean SVG code that is web-ready and fully scalable. And we can't ignore the 1 million token context. While other models struggle with long documents, you can feed Gemini 3.1 Pro an entire codebase, or a 2-hour high-res video, and it will analyze the specific nuances in seconds without losing the thread. So, how does it stack up against GPT-4o or Claude 3.5 ID? While Claude is often praised for its creative writing style, Gemini 3.1 Pro has taken a definitive lead in technical accuracy. In coding tasks, its human eval scores are through the roof. Moreover, Google's ecosystem integration is its secret weapon. With Notebook LM getting the 3.1 Pro upgrade, your personal research assistant just got twice as smart. And for developers, the pricing is incredibly aggressive, making it 15% more cost-effective for large-scale automation than previous versions. At AIG Red Lab, we focus on results. Here is how you should be using 3.1 Pro right now. First, automated research. You can feed it 20 different research papers, and it will find the contradictions between them instantly. Second, complex coding. Use it for refactoring legacy code. The reasoning leap makes it much better at understanding spaghetti code than previous models. And third, deep data analysis. Its long context window means you can upload your entire Q4 sales data and ask for a strategic 2026 forecast without the AI forgetting the details from page 1. Google didn't just release a model, they released a statement. Gemini 3.1 Pro proves that the future of AI isn't just about more data, it's about better thinking. So, is this the model that finally makes you switch from ChatGPT, or are you holding out for the next move from OpenAI? Drop a comment below. I want to know which side of the AI divide you're on. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AIG Grid Lab for the latest in AI automation and tech strategy. I'll see you in the next one.